Hey fellow Kamadians, this is Red. Today I'm going to be cooking an Indonesian grilled poultry dish called Ayam Bakar. When barbecuing poultry, we often think of seasoning it with a rub and then cooking it in the barbie. In Indonesia, poultry is often simmered in an aromatic liquid prior to grilling. Now let's get cooking. The first step is to prepare the spice paste, which requires 6 shallots, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of galango, 1 inch of ginger. If you can't find galango, you can substitute with 2 inches of ginger, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 stalks of lemongrass, a half teaspoon of white pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. When using lemongrass, we only need the softer inner section towards the bottom. Chop off the top and the bottom. Peel away the dry top layers until you reach the moister inner layers. This is the part that's used for cooking. Place all the ingredients for the spice paste in a food processor and pulse it until everything is finely blended. Add the spice paste to a pot and toast it under medium heat for about 5 minutes. Occasionally give it a stir so it won't burn. After 5 minutes, I'll add 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of tamarind water, 4 kaffir leaves, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 6 tablespoons of ketchup mayonnaise. Using a spatula, I'll scrape the spice paste that's stuck on the bottom of the pot. There's a lot of flavor here. Bring the mixture to a simmer and then add either chicken, or if you want something fancier, use Cornish game hens. I find that Cornish game hens offer more flavor, but chicken will work well too. Simmer for up to 25 to 30 minutes or until the bird is fully cooked. Once the chicken or Cornish hen is done simmering, take it out by placing it on the pan and let it air dry for about 30 minutes. This will allow a crispier skin to form when we grill it. I've got my Kamado heated to 350 degrees and set up for direct grilling. I've prepared several Cornish hens that I'll place on a well-oiled grate. The Cornish hens is already fully cooked in the spice paste liquid, so all I need to do now is give it a quick grill. Several minutes on each side is all that's needed. All throughout Indonesia, you'll find street vendors serving up this popular grilled chicken dish. The taste of the lemongrass and the aromatic galango beautifully contrast the tamarind water. The ketchup mayonnaise adds a bit of sweetness that elevates this dish to another level. Hey, thanks so much for joining me for another edition of Kamado Planet. Please subscribe to my channel for more food from all around the world cooked on the Kamado.